In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get 1650 by 1080 resolution Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily set up a resolution of 1650 by 1080 and play Fortnite. You will notice that I am doing this on windowed mode, but don't worry, I'm only doing this for convenience when I'm recording this video, but you will be able to play in full screen. You can do full screen with black bars or do full screen stretched, whatever you prefer. Setting up a custom resolution is extremely simple. So all that you have to do is first press Windows plus R. This is going to open up the run window. And what you have to do is go over to percentage, local app data percentage. Click OK. And now you will find yourself on this location here with a bunch of folders. Now look for Fortnite game. Go inside of that folder, go inside of the saved folder, config, and then Windows client. Now you will be able to find game user settings.ini. Right click this, go over to properties, and first make sure that you untick read only. Once this is done, apply, click OK, and now once more, right click game user settings, go over to edit with notepad, and now you will be able to change the resolution here. So what I recommend is that you press Ctrl plus F and you look for the word resolution. So you have to look for these four lines: resolution size X and Y, and then last user confirmed resolution size X and Y. So in here, just set up the resolution size X to 1650, so here and here, and then the resolution size Y to 1080, so here and here. Next, save the changes, so click on File, Save, close this down, and then once again enable read-only after you save those changes. And the next time that you open Fortnite, 1650 by 1080 will be selected by default. So this is all you have to do. Like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go into full screen with this resolution, but it seems like it worked. So you will be able to play like this. You can do windowed, you can do full screen stretched, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to get 1650 by 1080 resolution Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.